Ballito's street food scene has flourished over the past year, drawing on local flavors and global influences to offer something truly special for food lovers. The Ballito Lifestyle Centre stands out as a culinary hotspot, with recent additions like Soi 55 Thai Eatery bringing authentic Thai street food straight to the heart of the town. Led by chef Goo Imthawin, Soi 55's open flame cooking and vibrant outdoor ambiance make it a favorite for those seeking a taste of Asia on warm coastal evenings. Nearby, Eat Street has transformed into a lively dining avenue, featuring restaurants such as 45 on Eat Street and Tiger's Milk, where classic pizzas, grills, and burgers are reimagined in a sophisticated yet casual setting. For a more traditional experience, the Ballito Farmers Market remains a weekend must-visit, offering over 150 traders with fresh produce, artisanal goods, and local street food, all in a family-friendly atmosphere enriched by live music.